This is friend
The sky is blue and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Is pristine and the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. They know it means so much and they also experience between them a great sense of privilege at being able to attend this most special of games. For the players to take to here ahead of such an important game. If you're just joining us, we are already underway. And it's Oriana. Banega gets it back. And here's the chance to counter. Gets away from his opponents. To get it forward quickly. That's surely a foul. Free kick. Push run down the left-hand side. Yeah, he's fouled him there. That's a decent ball. What a ball this is. Controne! Yeah, the pass was bang on, and he just had to ensure he didn't stray offside. The finish was actually bang on too. Big occasion, big goal, crucial lead.
Quando che vicino ne? Si era conosciuti?
Dove non come un buono. No, can't fazer sala nenhuma, não. Sou playzinho. You think
and it's played forward. He's got options out wide. He's left his man. Oh, super tackle. They were outnumbered and under the cosh. That had to be spot on. And
where
it was. Well played. He saw that coming. Strike, shoots.
Yeah, continue. There's like a lot of games you can have fun with.
Looks a foul. Yeah, referee's given it.
They were fun. Halloween is
Look what. I'm sorry, go ahead now. I'm gonna be so fucking happy. When you go, yeah, go.
Plays it forward, and they've been caught. He's gone for it. That has certainly tested the keeper. Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Mm-mm.
It's a promising ball. It's Cutrone!
For Granny. Granny.
Quando usiamo kanzi gashayitani ngo mu gihe kinini k'iminota ibiri
This is becoming a stroll. Oh, real danger here.
bari kuri kabiri
Goes straight through to the keeper. Now the breakaway. They've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Roca tried to play it through. Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target. Out to the left it goes. It's a fine run and he's happy to keep going. That's a real stopper. He's put an end to the threat. Vasil plays it short. Well weighted. Cutrone. He's away. Cutrone! Goes to show he is human after all. Well, the most exciting sight on a football pitch. He had too much trickery for that defense.
banakarebesheje
Breaks on here, and he's onside. They're going for goal. It is no contest. It is a landslide. Thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. That was all very well drilled.
they're quick
Bayern Munich tear their opponents apart once again. They are ruthless. He's had a goal! He's put it wide.
ahita naroki ugini kahise
Official showing that there will be 3 minutes of added time. He's gone for it!
abantwana
United are making a switch now. Well, to wait until now to make this change seems a bit baffling. He's expecting the miraculous to turn this around from here. Needed a better pass there. Roca. And time is up. Bayern Munich, irresistible here. Dominant, utterly ruthless. Only ever one result. Can you reflect on what we've seen? Bayern Munich have some very strong runners from midfield, and it's not often you'll see a team be so effective by advancing through the middle like that, but this was very impressive.